Hey everyone, I recently stumbled across this incredible YouTube channel that's racked up over 2 million subscribers and more than 500 million views. And get this, it's all thanks to AI-generated videos. What blew my mind the most? One of their long-form videos has over 1 million views, and their shorts, they go viral the second they're uploaded. That's when it hit me. Why not try building a channel like that myself and see if I can make it grow the same way? Honestly, the results I got were pretty shocking, and I'm excited to share the whole journey with you. First things first, I needed a solid script. For that, I turned to ChatGPT. I gave it clear instructions about the kind of story I wanted, something fun, engaging, and easy to follow, and it handed me an awesome script in no time. If you've never used ChatGPT before, it's like having a creative partner who's ready to brainstorm with you 24/7. Next up, I had to make some visuals. I decided to use an AI tool for this, but before I could generate anything, I needed image prompts, little descriptions to tell the AI exactly what I was picturing. So I grabbed a screenshot of some adorable yellow chicks and told ChatGPT, "Hey, I want images like these. Write me some prompts." It gave me unique prompts for every scene I had in mind. Then, I took those prompts to Leonardo AI and generated all the images I needed. The results were spot on, and it was so cool to see my ideas come to life. Now, I wanted to animate those images, and guess what? It was super easy and totally free. For this, I used a tool called Runway ML. You might be wondering, how's it free? Well, I've got all the details on that, and I'll share them with you over on my Discord server. Check the link in the description and pinned in the comments. Anyway, I uploaded each image to Runway ML, added some short prompts to guide the animations, and bam! I had moving visuals ready to go. By the way, every prompt I used in this video is available on my Discord server, so you can grab them and try this yourself. EME for the final step, video editing. You can use any editor. You like CapCut, VN, or KineMaster are all great options. I went with Filmora for this one. I dragged all my animated clips into the timeline, threw in some smooth transitions to keep things flowing, and if you're feeling extra creative, you can even add some cool visual effects. It's all about making the video pop. No videos, complete without sound, right? For sound effects, I hit up Mixkit and Pixabay. Just search for whatever you need, like footsteps or a dramatic whoosh, and download it for free. Then, for background music, you could use Mixkit or Pixabay too, but I prefer YouTube's audio library because it's the safest bet for avoiding copyright issues. Once I layered in the sound effects and music, I exported the final video, and it was looking good. With my first video ready, I created a brand new YouTube channel. I designed a logo and banner using Canva, super simple and free by the way. Then I uploaded the video. For the thumbnail, title, and hashtags, I mirrored what the original Yellow Chicks channel used. That way YouTube's algorithm would know exactly what category my video fits into. Everything was set, so I hit publish and started waiting. After 1 hour, 0 views, 2 hours, still 0. 6 hours later, you guessed it, 0 views. At that point, I was like, did this idea totally flop? Are AI videos not a thing anymore? Or did I mess something up? I gave it 2 more days. But still, nothing. I wasn't ready to give up, so I decided to try a short video instead. I uploaded it, and shockingly, within the first hour, it hit 1,000 views. I was about to pop some confetti, but then the views just stopped. When I dug into it, I realized people were swiping away from the video, so YouTube's algorithm didn't bother pushing it further. That's when it clicked. The hook at the start is everything. For my next attempt, I crafted a hook that grabbed the audience right away. And the results? 15,000 views in one day, 45,000 the next day, and the video after that soared to 100,000 views. That's when I knew this content format was taking off. And here's the best part. If you jump in and start making similar videos right now, you can grow too. All it takes is 3 things: the right tools, the right prompts, And a little patience, I've already laid it all out for you, the tools, the prompts, the editing tips. You can find everything on my Discord server, links in the description and pinned in the comments. If you'd like me to dive deeper into this channel's earnings, its monetization journey, or some growth hacks for shorts, just let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and keep cashing in.